The Russian Federation Armed Forces continue the special military operation. As a result of the Russian Aerospace Forces high-precision weapons hitting on the temporary deployment locations of the so-called Foreign Legion fighters, up to 100 foreign mercenaries and 6 armored vehicles were destroyed near Chazov Yar in Donetsk People's Republic. In the Kupiansk direction, artillery fire against the Ukrainian Armed Forces assembly areas thwarted the enemy attack at Novoselovskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. Up to 30 Ukrainian servicemen and 2 pickup trucks were eliminated. In the Krasny Liman direction, preventive fire attacks in Stelmakhovka and Ploshchanka of Lugansk People's Republic foiled attempts of the Ukrainian Armed Forces to launch an offensive with 2 company tactical units in the direction of Kolomichiha and Ploshchanka of Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy also made futile attempts to equip strong points and gain a foothold close to Ploshchanka and Chervonopopovka. As a result of artillery fire, Ukrainian units were halted and pushed back to their initial positions. The enemy's losses in this direction amounted to over 50 Ukrainian personnel killed and wounded. 3 armored fighting vehicles and 4 special vehicles were eliminated. In the Donetsk direction, the Ukrainian Armed Forces counterattacks were repulsed near Solidar, Opytnoye, Kurdyumovka and Mayorsk as a result of the Russian forces' fire defeat and decisive operations. Up to 70 Ukrainian personnel were neutralized, as well as 2 tanks, 3 armored fighting vehicles and 5 pickup trucks. In the South Donetsk direction, the enemy attempted to retake the lost position in Novomikhailivka, Pavlovka and Shevchenko in Donetsk People's Republic. Artillery strikes and assault units repulsed all of the attacks, and the enemy was forced back to initial positions. The armed forces of Ukraine suffered 60 casualties in this direction, as well as 1 infantry fighting vehicle, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 2 MTLB vehicles, and 5 motor vehicles. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery struck 6 enemy command posts in Sadovoye, Durchany and Zolotaya Balka in Kherson region, Yampol in Donetsk People's Republic, and Kislovka in Kharkov region, as well as 62 artillery units at firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 137 areas. An ammunition store outside Dnepropetrovsk, which stored over 100 HIMARS multiple launch rockets and over 7,000 foreign-made large-caliber artillery rounds, was destroyed. 4 missile and artillery ammunition depots of the Ukrainian Zaporozhye force grouping have been destroyed near Razumovka in Zaporozhye region. 2 HIMARS MLRS rockets were shot down by air defense facilities near Bogdanovka in Kherson region. In addition, 1 Excalibur artillery-guided round was intercepted near Miropolye in Sumy region. In total, 333 airplanes and 177 helicopters, 2,565 unmanned aerial vehicles, 390 air defense missile systems, 6,848 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 904 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,620 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,381 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.